Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Talking eBay. Today I want to make a quick video and show you some information I just learned today. So we're listing of this watch here that you can see, and I'm noticing the photo doesn't fill the full frame. I'm saying to myself, that's unusual. It looks like it's missing something. So you can see it's grayed here on the right and the left side of this photo. It's not a full photo image. I'm saying that's unusual. What's going on with eBay? So I did quick research. I went online and I just Googled it basically. And then basically it says with Gallery Plus, so Gallery Plus is an upgrade to your listing. You get a larger photo. So a 400 by 400 pixel. So it's about 30% larger than the current photo right now. So you can see here in this image, you can see all the photos. They look like they're missing something. And I don't like the way that looks personally. But that's what they're doing, and I just wanted to just show you, make a quick video and give you an idea of why it looks like that. So if you're uploading your photos and you say, why isn't the whole box being filled up, now you know why. Now when you go to the regular large size, you can see it still doesn't look like it. The gray area is really much larger here. I don't like the way that looks. I wish they would include that in the basic listing, or maybe give you a better option. So let me just show you where that is and how you can activate that if you want to do the larger photo. And by the way, if you haven't checked out my podcast, check out my podcast on Talking eBay. You can just Google that, Talking eBay podcast on any search engine, and you'll come right up and check out all my episodes on there as well. So what you want to do here is that you can see your photos here, fill the full box. You can see that, right? So that's how you would expect it to look, but it doesn't. So if you want the full box, you have to go under See Photo Options. Now you can see Gallery Plus. So Gallery Plus, what that does is it increases the size of your image and gives you more to work with. So it looks like a better image. Now I'm not sure about the searching. I don't think it makes a difference on the searching on eBay. It made a big difference on searching, and it might change that in the future. It's possible. So they might have bigger photos and smaller photos. That could be something to think about if they change that, because they would pop out more than you would. So that's something to think about. But the Gallery Plus, so to activate that, you just toggle that over, and then you'll see here Gallery Plus $1. So you have to click on that to activate that. So now that means that this listing is now an additional $1 once it sells. Not now, but once it sells, you'll have the additional $1. Click on that. So it says display large photos and list. Oh, click that off here. Put it back on here. Fees will apply. Oh, whatever. Oh, okay. Whatever or not. It's okay. So they charge you regardless. I didn't realize that. Okay. Sometimes they charge you when it sells. So you automatically be hit with that $1 if it sells or doesn't sell. So that's a bummer in my book. So, if you don't want to activate that, don't. But if you have something very expensive, maybe it's worth it to do it for that. Maybe. You know what I mean? If you have like a $500 or $600 item and you really want it to stand out with larger photos, okay, I get the $1, makes sense to me. But for the average, stuff, 15, 20, 30 bucks, whatever, I don't think it's really worth it personally. But I wanted to make a video and just show you what that looks like. So you fill the whole frame here, but when you click on it, you can see the whole frame is filled here. And let's just go ahead and hit that revise button and just show you again. It just doesn't fill the whole thing, and it's too bad. They should really keep it normal size. They should, if you didn't opt into that extra $1, they should keep it the normal size and not look like this. I don't like the way this looks personally. I do not. It looks like it's missing something. It looks like it's odd. And I was putting up a photo of this watch today, and I noticed it just didn't look right. It's like something's wrong with this. So I was talking to my partner and saying something's wrong with this. And then she said, oh yeah, I heard about this thing eBay's doing. So I Googled it, and this is what happened. So I wanted to make a video, bring it to you live as quick as possible to show you what's going on with eBay and all the updates and what's happening. So good or bad, I give it to you straight and tell you everything there is to know. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to listen to that podcast, Talking eBay Podcast. Just Google that anywhere. There's a link in the description as well in this video. Right down below, you'll see that. There's the podcast right there. We have 15 episodes in and more coming next year. So I appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. If you love this, let me know. Leave some comments down below. It means a lot to me, and I appreciate your time as always. And I'll see you at the next Talking eBay.